Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share an email to Microsoft Teams using the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook, as well as Microsoft Teams. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's locate an email we wish to share via Teams. Click on the first one, which is at the top of the trot. And now go to the navigation menu towards the end where it says Share to Teams. Click on this. This will open up another prompt on screen. We can then share to a person, a group, or channel. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Microsoft Teams application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application itself. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you will see all your created teams within the application. So I have two channels within Computer Science Videos. We have the general, which is standard for every team you create, as well as another one called social media. Let's now minimize the application for the moment. And now go back to Microsoft Outlook. We will share this within general of Computer Science Videos. We can write a message. Let's just say hello. And now click share. So this email itself has now been shared with the team within Microsoft Teams. Close, go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Teams, and there we have it. The email is on screen within Microsoft Teams. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams, quit Microsoft Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.